Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add a background in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch the quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Pixlr where we can get started with logging into your account. In the upper right corner, if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead and click on it to open it up right here, which is going to open up this new menu where we can get started with opening up the image that we want to use. And as you can see, I already have my image right here, so I'm going to go ahead and select it. So after selecting my image, now I can get started with adding the effects I want to use. If you can see at the left side of the screen, we have the toolbar of all the options we have, like arrange, crop, cut out, and so on. So first you can get started with cutting out the objects that you do not want to use in your background. So as you can see, you can get started with clicking the cutter option, then using the AI cutter or shape cutout, whatever you might want to use, and getting ready to get rid of the objects to add your background. And as you can see the right side of the screen right here under the layers option, we will have our background option. So you can use your background and whatever option you want, but what you can do is use the layers to add a new image. So click the plus button, that's going to enable you to add a new image as a layer, and after adding your image, you'll be able to get started with using that image as a background by adding the layer and the background image one on top of the other, and then selecting how you want it to look. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.